today is one of the first videos in our healthy eating series. And what I've got is, if you remember, I told you we can do this budget friendly, and this is very budget friendly. My albacore tuna I got on sale at Meijer for 75 cents a can. And my wraps I always get at Dollar General. So they wind up being about 20 cents a piece. Very, very low cost. So anyway, with that, I'm going to take my albacore tuna. I'm going to show you how I make my tuna wraps. And these are wonderful. You can make them in the morning and take them with your lunch, or use them for a dinner. So I have got the tuna in there, and then you can put any veggies in here you want. Unlimited amount, any veggies you want. But I love to put onions, and I put a little bit of radish in mine because I love the crunch. I usually do celery and radish and a little onion, but remember yesterday I didn't buy any celery. So with that, I'm going to crack some pepper in here because I love pepper in mine. And this wrap is going to be under 300 calories, and it could even be less. Let's see, I don't want a tablespoon, I don't want a teaspoon at it. I'm using full fat ranch dressing. So if you use the light, only because I don't have any right now, but it still is a cheaper, or not cheaper, but it still is a less calories than regular mayo. Okay, I got a teaspoon, and I'm using my Greek seasoning. Probably about a half a teaspoon of that. I love my Greek seasoning on all kinds of stuff I use it on. Anyway, so with that, I'm going to get my 2 tablespoons of my ranch. Now you can use mayo, but 2 tablespoons of ranch is about 140 calories, and 1 tablespoon of mayo, full fat mayo, is 100 calories. So this is still less calories. So that's what I'm going to use, and it gives it a good flavor. Okay? So we're just going to mix this all up. This stuff is absolutely wonderful. Sometimes you put peppers in there. Sometimes I even use cucumbers. It just depends on what I have. Whatever's on sale, it's what I use. So, okay, we got that mixed up. Now, I'm going to take and I'm going to put a little bed of spinach on mine. You can use lettuce. Also, you don't even have to use a wrap. It would be wonderful, just if you're counting calories, count your calories. But this would be wonderful also on whole grain bread. So, I'm just going to put that on there. Kind of divide this into 2 because I got 2 of them. And I'll wrap one up for later. Okay, so there you have it. And as all I do is I just fold it in, just like a burrito, and roll it. And there's my tuna wrap. Absolutely wonderful. You can roll it in a little bit of aluminum foil, put it in your purse, and away you go to lunch. Go to work, take it to lunch. It's wonderful. This is a very low calorie meal, and you can have a salad with it because vegetables are unlimited. You can have all you want. So a nice tossed salad and a tuna wrap, wonderful. You can even have it with some soup, or just have it plain by itself. They make a wonderful little meal. So there you have it, friends. Thanks for watching.